Got a Mazda with the fucking carbon hood on it. That's pretty cool. ZL1, and everybody's staring at this track. Oh, look it.
I don't know. I just finished it up like a week and a half ago.
Whipple on the track? Yeah. This is hard. Whipple on it. Got fat ass tires all 4 around. I think it's fucking tough. I think it's tough. And the fucking shoe in the back. We found ourselves a brother. Another 718. Mine's right there. We found a brother. 718. He has a carbon diffuser. That's just hard as fuck. Carbon wing. Hard as fuck. He's PDK as well. Nice. He's got the blacked out wheels. Carbon all in the front. This is actually a really nice kit. I'm going to ask him what bumper this is. But this actually looks super fucking nice. I like it. And the carbon mirror caps too. Oh my goodness. And the carbon on the side. That is hard as fuck. I got to find the guys who owns this. These are pretty nice. A lot more shit than mine, but I'm gonna bet him like $100 I can destroy this nigga real quick. But tight shit. The R35 GTR too. Kinda calm. We got the 392 motherfucking scat, the Chally. We got the 5.0 10 speed right there. We got the wide body scat. This shit is hard, bro. I'm gonna get one of these soon. These Mopars have been growing on me, I'm not gonna lie. Sure, they're slow as shit, but these are hard. They sound nice. 6.4 too. Badass tires, kind of fucked up a little bit, but looks nice. A wide body cat on you, it's not even a cat, it's a scat. This is hard. Forged carbon stripes too. That's just hard right there. The cam vet, can you hear that? That's just hard as fuck. Look at this Marrow. VMS, wheels all around. Added the front 2 skinnies in the front. On this Marrow. On 3, I'm assuming on 3 turbo kit maybe. It looks kind of sick. I want to see under the hood though. Hood is like black though. You can't really see anything, can you? I don't see an intercooler, so I don't know. But it does look really nice. Got the BMW's Burbelin M5 and the 2 Series. Look at this Supra. You got the Supra out. You got the M4 out. Oh, that's my buddy. This is clean as fuck right here. E92 M3. Fucking sick ass fitment too. This is beautiful. These E92s, bro, have a special part of my heart. Look, carbon diffuser and everything. Look at that fitment. Elite fitment. You got the Mozzie. Got the little Mozzie. Very nice. Very nice Mozzie. We got a hella Corvettes. We got C7. We got C7. We got C8. And I think this is a C5. We got like 4 Corvettes in like a row here. It's pretty cool. Mick is here. Single turbo N54 on the E90. This is hard.
Bro, you don't want to take pictures of this, bro. I don't give you permission, bro. Trust me.
Hey. Too late, guys. Too late. This? I've never seen this on a Benz. Is this a C300 or that? What is it? Like 250? With the, what is this? I have never seen some shit like this. With the turbo upgrade too? What the fuck? I'm okay. The 2.7 S4. Pretty nice. I heard these edges can hold power, but these motherfuckers got problems. The 2J. You're learning. Very nice. I think this is the most complicated setup I've ever seen. 4 Hellcat pumps in the back, right? And the boost controller is controlled by pressure instead of the turbo. I have never seen some shit like that. Obviously, inside is semi-gutted. Single turbo pour, super complicated set of 2 blow valves. The fucking boost controller, but it's controlled by pressure. Very fucking complicated.
What's your YouTube?
What's up? No, not N54.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, so are these 2 boost controllers?
Yep. So it's a COT boost controller.
Like where the fuel tank was,
we actually have the air compressor in it.
Yeah. And this side dump as well. That's pretty cool. That's interesting stuff.
Yeah, I'll show you the trunk too.
The trunk?
Yep.
I'm assuming you're gutted with like meth or some fucking like some cool looking like gas tank.
Almost.
Almost.
You got the gas tank, right? Oh, it's still locked.
Nice. You can't even see shit.
Yeah, it's got the.
We
So-
put some LEDs in our cars, bro.
Yeah. Okay, so of course, is this nitrous?
That's actually just an air compressor, like air tank.
Air tank? Oh, if you got bags in the car?
No, this is all for the boost control. So all the air in the system's for boost.
Instead of using your turbo boost, so you have to wait for the turbo to build boost to push pressure into the wastegate, right? So if you have already
So no carpet. You got a fire extinguisher. You need that.
Doors.
Oh, carbon doors. Damn. Okay. Full N54 race car. Gosh, damn. And no airbag. What's up with the no airbag?
I just got that reel in there.
Okay.
So I'm still looking for it everywhere.
Tight shit. Single turbo N54. This is hard. I like this. Single turbo spark. 4 injection. Okay. This is hard. Can you? So just go whenever you're ready. I'll cut it.
All right, my name's Dan, and I'm co-owner of Screet Tuners, and this is my CLA 250. It's got this stock engine. It's a Pulsar turbo, ball bearing Pulsar turbo. I made everything: the exhaust, the charge pipes. The only AMG stuff on it is the intake manifold and throttle body and map sensors.
Do you upgrade the high pressure as well?
That's a flex fuel off of a flex car, so
Okay.
it puts out a little bit more, but
Is this a 2-liter?
yeah, 2-liter 4-cylinder direct injection. It's got a 535 Hellcat pump in the tank with 6 AN lines, and the fuel pressure regulator is back there with the
you can see
100 micron.
I have never seen a series modified like this.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. So how much power does this thing make?
So it's on 91 right now, and I have about 25 pounds of boost, and I'm guessing around 450. Yeah, and I'm gonna start tuning it on. I tune it myself, so I'm gonna tune it on E85. We'll pump E85, and I'm hoping to make over 500 all wheel. It's a 7-speed dual clutch all wheel.
So does this have the nice interior lights and everything?
Yeah, I mean, not really. It's of 2014, so it's the first year they offered the A-Class here in the United States. So this is like the lowest line you can get. So, you know, I got it pretty cheap, so I didn't mind cutting it up and doing